welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani Shane and today I'm going to do a product review on the makeup sponge combo of Forever 21, which I brought for 469 rupees. It comes in a plastic pack, like this, which is not that good because if you keep in this pack, and it's not travel friendly actually, because if you keep it in this and once it grows, it don't fit in. And if you after drying also keep it in this pack and seal it, zip it and keep it in your travel case and put your clothes over it, so it's going to get crushed, which is something you don't want. And it may get molds also, because a few days back I brought a beauty blender. Sadly, very sadly, it got molds over it. I got this and this is so good. This is exact dupe, and this is after it has grown. I'll show you. So this is how it was when it just arrived. It was quite small and it was cushiony. It wasn't hot at all. It was soft, and it arrived with a mark on it, but afterwards it's gone. I took a small bowl of water. I don't want to waste water. I'll dip it in it. I know you can hold it under running water also and it will do the same. So now we have to give it a good squeeze so the excess water comes out 2 to 3 times. Yeah, that will be enough, I guess. And then I'll start blending my makeup with it. So if you can see, it has grown a lot, actually a lot, and it's really soft and you don't have to put pressure to squeeze it. Now you have to take a paper towel and press it so the excess water gets soaked and your beauty blender will be dried. Okay, so I'm done with the damping and squeezing. I just want to show you how much this has grown. And this is the sponge. It has grown a lot. As you can see, it's fitting in my whole, it's taking my whole palm to fit. So I've taken white foundation, and this is a creamy kind of foundation. I just want to see how it blends. If you don't want to waste your product, you should put your product directly on your face first, then start blending, because you will take the sponge, take it from here, then start blending, and products will be wasted. So I will take directly. Blended just as it's my skin finish, and as I can see, no pores are visible. So yeah, it does its job so well. So I'm done with blending my foundation with this sponge, which is really a miracle for me, and I find it really good. And some people I've seen in some videos, they are saying it's harder than beauty blender. No, it's not. I have a beauty blender. I have used a beauty blender already. It's awesome, truly it's awesome, but this is coming in a much lesser price, so you have to understand that. I really don't think there's much of a difference because it's so soft. I have used the green colored Forever 21 sponge, which comes in a square kind of a box. That was a little harder than this, a little bit only, but this is, I guess, the exact dupe. Some people are saying it don't grows back, so you have seen it in front of you. I have done my dabbing and dipping and it grown back to its size. It shrinks back so well as well, but not exact shape, because it shrinks back, but it's a little bigger than the actual shape when it actually arrived here. I will definitely recommend this because I really find it really useful and great. For concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline Clear Glow Stick, which looks like this, and the shade is 02 Radiance. Yeah. So I'm going to blend my concealer with this sponge. it's a little hard to handle this with this, but if you hold it in your hand, it's much easier. After using this brush on sponge on me, sorry, brush keeps coming to my okay, so after using this sponge, I will definitely recommend this. You are paying 469 rupees and you're getting 2 of this, which is an awesome combination. It does the job pretty well. Of course, I have nothing against Beauty Blender. It's awesome. This probably the best. But yeah, you're paying 1/10 maybe for each, so of course it's highly expensive. Not everyone can afford that. Not everyone want to afford that much for a beauty blender or a makeup sponge. So of course this is a catch. You should go for this, and this blends your makeup so well that you feel like a airbrushed makeup look. So you're getting it this combo in Myntra.com. One more thing I really want to share. I have brought this before also. I haven't brought this to make a review. I have brought this before just to use it and feel how it is when my beauty blender got molds on it. Never store your beauty blender or makeup sponge in an airtight container. That's another important tip. Anyway, so when I brought this before also, but it came into a square box, which I think all of you may know, and you may not know, you can search it. It came in a square box and it was green, and another one is purple kind of stuff. So yeah, but that was a little harder. Somehow I feel that was a little harder than this. This is the exact dupe. Perfect dupe for beauty blender. And if you are already having a beauty blender, of course you don't need this, but having something in so cheap, you can always have something extra. It's really cheap. And as I have said about this is also the same thing like this. This has also grown a lot. This was a way smaller than this when it arrived, and it does shrinks back well. About this, one problem is I just can't hold this and apply it. There's some problem, maybe I'm not used to it, but I can hold it over here and I apply it like a small beauty blender, and it really works well for me. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you like my review. Please do write me in the comment down there if you find this review helpful for you, and please do like and subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up button. Do like, do subscribe, spread love. Love you. Mwah.